Hey, what is going on, you guys? Josh here from the Defi guys. Super excited to do a Drip Network update video for you guys. A lot of you guys have subscribed to this channel because of Drip Network and the craze that happened at the beginning of this year. Drip got super hot, was doing really well, and now we're seeing it sort of capitulate down. If we go over to the swap feature over here and we look at the chart, you can see it's at $9.78, and it kind of just continues to capitulate down. But it doesn't mean that I don't believe in the project. I've been getting my own motivation by watching other drip influencers on YouTube, and they've been talking about, the things that Forex is working on. Obviously there's a new UI coming out for drip. There's a lot of new deals that are going on. Obviously, Forex is still in the process of fixing the dogs contract so the ecosystem is working right. So I've been paying attention, just watching from the sidelines, trying to determine whether I should, compound or whether I should start taking profits because, drip's going to go to zero, which I don't think drip is going to go to zero whatsoever. I'm going to give my reasoning why I'm in this for the long term. So if you're looking forward to the content within this video, go ahead, number one, drop the video like, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon because you're going to want to be notified of future drip updates that I do, as well as other projects that I talk about on this channel. And you want to be the first to be notified about these projects because it's all about timing here in the DeFi and the crypto space in general. So let's go ahead. Let's talk about, price. Price is down to $9.78. Obviously, there's a lot of people taking profit, but there's also a lot of people that are still continuing to compound in drip. I took profits on the way up, and I've taken profits on the way down. And right now, it's just at a price where I think it's really not worth it to continue to take profits. Like my max payout is $166,276. Which a lot of people might think that that's a ton of money. They might think that $369 per day is a lot of money. But for me, when I look at this, it's not appealing to me. It's not exciting for me personally. I've made a lot of money in my businesses. I've made a lot of money in crypto. And so when prices are this low and I continue to take profits and reach my max payout, I would hate to take a bunch of profits at $10 and then watch this thing go to $50, even $100 plus again. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just compounding once a day. I'm going to continue to build this account up to a max payout of 100K because, guys, the tokenomics are there. Everything's there for this to have longevity and be here long term. And the market cap's still small enough to where there's plenty of people that haven't been exposed to drip. So, you can jump on the next thing that's just another fork or that's slightly innovative, and you can jump on that. But that's only going to work for so long too. I look at this and I see how huge the audience is that we have that's in drip. We see the dedicated influencers. You go in the Telegram group, there's, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people that are in this project that believe in it. I think Forex has done some things in the past. No one's perfect, where he should have communicated a bit better that he didn't. But again, we got to realize that people are human. He's helped make me a lot of money. He's helped make a lot of other people a lot of money. So we can't expect people to be absolutely perfect to the T, but I know he's working hard with his dev team in the background. I know they've done more hiring, and I know he's got the connections to create deals to make this thing last. And he wouldn't be setting up a new UI if this thing was going to zero, guys. So that's why I'm at a point. I was taking, like I said, profits on the way up, profits the way down, and now it's at a point where I'm just going to hydrate because worst case scenario, even if this was to go to $8 and $5 and $3 and $2 and I was claiming it, the amount of money that I would make is still not worth it. And I think other people are going to realize that too. And they're also going to start hydrating once again. As a matter of fact, I saw a video of somebody, I think he's like 1,000 drip away from his max payout. And, once you reach your max payout, you can't, unless you deposit more, that account is pretty much dead. So there's a point where people are going to start hydrating again. The price is going to go back up, and we should see some bullish price action. It might be in the next 3 months, 5 months. It might be in the next year. We don't know. But I'm in a place within this bear market that we're in, whatever you want to call it, where I'm hydrating, I'm compounding in pretty much every single protocol that I'm in. I'm compounding in the animal farm. I'm compounding in EMP.money, which is one of my other top projects, because I know another bull run is around the corner. And, you guys know the saying, be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. And I've learned that. So right now, we need to be greedy. We need to be compounding. We need to be buying drip. That's not financial advice, by the way. Crypto is highly risky. You guys should already know that. If you're looking to get into something and when it doesn't work out, blame somebody for it, crypto is not for you. You got to be somebody that's in this for the long haul, that's willing to go through the peaks and valleys, the ups and downs, because if you're not willing to do that, you don't deserve the reward, because that's life in general. In life, you have ups and downs, and what do? Do you quit on life? Or do you get back up? Do you get stronger? Do you keep moving forward? You do in life, so why not do that when it comes to your business? Why not do that when it comes to investing, right? That's just the way that I see it. So I have a attitude where it's do whatever it takes. Don't be a victim. I'm responsible for everything, the successes and failures in life. And when I take personal responsibility and not put it on somebody else, it's actually quite freeing. And you realize how much control you actually do have in the outcomes of your life. Don't let one bad crypto experience define the rest of your crypto journey. And a lot of people will do that as well. That's just a weak mindset. Hate to say it. I don't care if it was your last dollar. I don't care if it was your first dollar in crypto. You have to learn that. Like, there's been plenty of times where I've been completely broke and the only way is up. And I put my head down and I said, it's not somebody else's fault. It's not the government's fault. I put myself in this position. The universe put me in this position. And only I can change it. So don't put your destiny in somebody else's hands, you guys. Take control. Of course, when it comes to crypto projects, it's all about community and individuality, right? So you need to make a decision for yourself. And yes, the rest of the work is up to the devs and the community, but you still have control whether it's something you're going to jump into or not. You still have control in your belief level in it. And typically when you believe in something, that's when the best success happens. A perfect example, guys, I know I'm on a motivational rant here. A perfect example is EMP Money. I won the detonator yesterday, which was crazy because it was my dad's. It was actually 2 days ago. It was my dad's 60th birthday. We all went out and played golf, and then we went out to dinner. And I picked up the tab. It was like $300-400, and I just offered to do it for everybody. And that's just like a small example of what happens when you give, you get in return. And also, I jumped heavily back into EMP and the farm. And I think that's another indicator that when you believe in something, you get rewarded for it. And like I said, I won right around $33,000. It says $31K now because the value of EMP and of course ETH has gone down a little bit. But you got to believe, guys. You got to believe in the process. You got to stick with it long term, and you got to make a decision. This is what I'm going to do no matter what, and you're going to stick to the game plan. And I hope this has been some value to you guys. I know this is more of a motivational type of video, but this is the most important video that I've probably made, not because it's about drip, but because it's about motivation, and it's about the mindset that it takes to succeed in crypto. You know, I've lost unrealized, like I haven't lost millions, but I had the potential to take profits on millions. And I never did that last year. And I learned that hard lesson, but I didn't let that define me in the crypto space. I didn't let it keep me from getting into projects in the crypto space. You know, I've lost $30,000 in a day. I've lost 5,000. I've lost 10,000. I've lost a couple hundred. And you kind of get impervious to the losses. And the more that you experience losses, you just realize, hey, oh well, this is part of the game. But when you win big, and it makes up for those losses and then some. So just realize that moving forward. And not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Just a guy on YouTube documenting my journey. I'm heavily in profit with drip, but we're at a price point where it just doesn't make sense to continue to claim. I'm going to hydrate now. Again, I see other people doing this, and by them doing that as well and seeing that, you know, these profits aren't really worth it to achieve my max payout, they're going to start hydrating again. And all the bullish news with the new UI and the animal farm being done and the new deals, marketing deals that are being put in place, I'm seeing good things for drip. So I'm going to continue to give it a thumbs up and support it, not because of affiliate commissions or anything of that nature. It really is the community and the dev team and the connections that they have. That's why I'm sticking with this. So hope you got value from this video. If you did, drop the video a like. If you want to check out drip, I'll post a few links below that shows you exactly the tokenomics, how to get started if you choose to do so. Of course, do your own research. And also, if you want to check out my DeFi mastermind and learn how I went from 0 to 7 figures in 4 months, there's going to be a video, a free video below in the description as well that you can go ahead and check out. It's going to be a link. Go ahead and click that. Also, I've got a brand new Ethereum news alerts channel. I'm going to start posting more to this. I'm heavily vested into Ethereum, super bullish on it, something I believe in. So you can subscribe to this channel here below as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Josh from the DeFi Guys. Like, comment, let me know what you think drip is going to do over the course of the next year. Is it going to 0? Is it going to $300? Is it going to $500? I want to get some engagement, and I want to hear you guys in the comments. So like, comment, subscribe, tick the bell icon, and we will see you guys in the next video. Take care.